Yo, what's up guys, it's Mystic, and for this video I'm going to be showing you guys this app. It's called Media Box and it's for movies and TV shows. Before we start, go ahead, like and hit that notification bell, and without further ado, let's get right into it. So first thing, I'm going to show you guys this app. It looks exactly like this. It's like Netflix on steroids. Like, you can literally watch any TV show you want, all the seasons, any movie you want. For example, I'm going to show you Skyscraper, which is a pretty good movie. You guys should check it out. But anyway, you just press the play button and it literally auto plays. So as soon as it has a good link for you, it'll play it. You have to still wait the 10 seconds, for your Wi-Fi to get everything loaded up. But after like 10 seconds go by, I guess I probably have like 3, 2, 1. There you go. And as you can see, this is like 4K. This is HD, 720, 1080, whatever you think it is. It is good. I don't know what it is. It might be 4K. I don't know. But I just know this looks good. And as you can see, it loads up. This is the full movie. This isn't a trailer or anything. I'll go ahead, scroll a little bit deeper. If it loads up, let me see. Okay, there we go. And as you can see, this is still the full movie, so it's not a trailer or anything. And I'm gonna show you guys how you can get this app. So first thing, let me go ahead, delete it, and I'm gonna just start from scratch. So let me go ahead, delete it. Alright, so first thing, I'm gonna have this link in the description, but literally you click on the link. Oh, didn't mean to do that. You just click on this link and it literally takes you to this website, which is their website. You click on download, it takes you down here, and under media box you just click on the download again, and then it's going to ask you to install. You just click install. Now you can go back to your home screen, and there you go, you have it downloading. And then once it's finished downloading, you can try clicking on it, but you're going to get an alert that says untrusted, which I will show you as soon as it's done. So you click on it, it says that. So that's easy to fix. You just go to your settings, you go down to general, go down to profile device management, find which one it is. For this one right now is JEC-Score, but that changes as like when every time it gets re-signed it changes. But right now it's JEC-Score. But once you trust it, you can just open it right up, and once it opens up, just say allow for the notifications, and there you go. Same exact app as the beginning of the video, and this app is an amazing app. So if you want to watch Manifest, which is an amazing TV show, so I also recommend you guys watch this because this is a good TV show. But anyway, let me go ahead and click on it just to show you. I press the play button, it auto play. Let me go ahead and give it a few minutes to load. And as you can see, this is a TV show right here loaded, the newest episode. I think this came out Monday, and it already has all the TV shows as soon as they come out. So yeah, I thought that was pretty awesome. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Go ahead, share it with your friends, tell me what you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.